Hey guys, so I planned on videoing today, but I'm pretty sure I got like nothing. Now I'm gonna attempt to pack. Usually I'm all packed up by now, but we're leaving like at 4 o'clock tomorrow. So this is what I have so far. I've kind of just laid out everything. I have a few outfits for me. And then I have some for my daughter. I love this one. It's a new Wild Rich Kids one. So something like that. Extra outfits. More extra outfits. I'm really overpacking this time. Some ears. More extras. More extras. We're staying at the beach club, so we're gonna try and go to the pool. I'm not sure if we will. Some glasses, pajamas. And then this is for our travel day. And then I have just like random stuff that I don't know if I'm gonna pack or not. Okay, this is what I use to pack everything. I use this, I carry this around with me at the park. I haven't used this exact backpack, but I always take a backpack with me on the plane. Then I use this one, and I put all of Braylee's toys in there. And then I use this carry-on right here, and I haven't used this one yet either. It's from Lily Pulitzer, and I'm embarrassed to say how much I spent to get this.
Hey, I'm going to talk.
Okay, and then I have just a bunch of just junk that I don't know if I'm gonna pack or not. I'm getting this because we're gonna go swimming at the beach club, a razor. Yeah. And then this is a bag that I'm gonna be using this time. It's an e-bags luggage. It's really big. I used it last time. It's half hard side and soft on this side. And it really holds a lot of stuff, so love it. Some of this stuff is not for this trip. We're going to Japan in January, so I've been kind of like stocking up on random stuff. Like these two are going to be for the plane there. Yeah, I guess I'll start dumping all of this out and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to pack my stuff. I'm using this packing cube. So you can use both sides. Usually I use the other ones, but from our January vacation I use these and I love them. Okay, so I packed my stuff. Next is Braylee's. Okay, update. I am still trying to figure out how to organize all this. I have a giant mess and it's mixed with stuff that I plan to take to Japan, so I don't know. Okay, let's try to figure this out. Okay, I got sidetracked. I'm going to try to link. I got my mom, part of her, a little tiny part of her birthday gift was a white magic band. So I'm going to try to link that. I have mine already. Mine's so dirty. And then my daughter's too. So we have pink and then my mom will have white. So I'm going to try to figure that out real quick. Okay, now I'm going to pack everything that needs to go in my carry-on. Put some Advil, some Excedrin, these little Kleenex wipes, Tide pen. These I'm probably going to put separately, but they're going to go in my bag. Some Visine for contacts, little lotion, hand sanitizer. I love this one. It's Honest brand, but the way it smells. Let me... It's not focusing. Grapefruit. So good. Okay. This. Oh my goodness, seriously? I don't know. It's for anti-chafing. A few rubber bands. Gum. A few of these little plastic rubber bands for my daughter. I guess I'll just stick that in there too. And then I'm also going to stick our magic bands in there. It's just like one bag full of a giant mess, but it's easy. Okay. Let's see what else I have. Okay, so I have an extra SD card. I'm going to stick it in my camera bag. I always take my camera bag inside of my rolling carry-on. I'm going to put this in my carry-on. Our magic band info. I'm going to stick that in there. And then I think that's it. Let me see. Is this new? Yeah. Okay, I'm actually going to stick this in here as well. Okay. So I have all that. Of course, I'm going to have my wallet in there and stuff as well. And then I'm also going to, I think I'll take this book. I'm excited to check it out because this author I love. And I saw her post it on Instagram, so try this book out on the plane. I guess I'll save this one for another time. Okay, and I just realized that I did not bring contact solution, so I need to get that. Fuel rod, I love them. I'm gonna pack a fuel rod. I'm gonna pack, this is my favorite portable charger. I don't even know what kind it is. I don't know, but I love it. And then I already have like my little chargers in there and stuff like that. AirPods. And on this I'll probably pack separately. It's just an extra charge. Or no, I'll stick it in there. Okay. So yeah, pretty much that's it for what I'm going to take in my carry-on. My daughter's carry-on is a different story. Hers, I just packed tons of junk. So we'll do that next. Okay, this is what I'm going to put in Braylee's little bag. A few coloring things. This little reusable stickers. Surprise packs are always so great for little kids. A little Shopkins thing. She has a little VTech phone that we only use for the plane. Same thing with these headphones. We've used them for almost 2 years now. They're wonderful. They're from Amazon. I'm not sure what brand they are. I have no idea. Okay, more Shopkins, some flashcards, a Pez, Tsum Tsums, Hatchimals. These are all just little surprise toys. And then this little bird thing. It's so cute. She loves birds, so she's going to open that on the plane, and that will be exciting for her. Then we have just some little goldfish granola bars and stuff. And then she wanted to pick out some candy from Easter that she got. So we're going to take some Lifesaver gummies and a pack of Swedish fish. Okay. Also, every time we go to town and every night she has to sleep with this little Dumbo. So we're going to pack a Dumbo for Braylee. And why do we have Dumbo, Braylee?
Because to have happy dreams.
Yep. Dumbo gives Braylee happy dreams, so she sleeps with him every night. And then I'm going to pack a little blanket too in my carry-on rolling luggage. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to start sticking all this in the luggage. Like I said, this luggage has lots of space. It has this little divider right here. This side, more space. So, okay. I'm going to try to fit everything in here. Okay, pretty much I'm all packed up. Undergarments, my stuff, some Crocs for Braylee, 2 pairs of Birkenstocks for me, toiletries, curling iron, Braylee's clothes. I almost forgot to pack our rain jackets. It's always rainy there during the spring and summer. So 2 rain jackets, more shoes for Braylee, Tevas for Braylee and I, a little puddle jumper for Braylee because we're gonna go swimming at the beach club pool, a cooling towel in case it gets too hot. We rented a stroller, so I'm gonna bring 2 of these little stroller hooks, a sand bucket and little toys because there's sand at the pool at the beach club, and last year Braylee loved playing there. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's see if it's too heavy. It might be too heavy. Okay, I almost forgot. I also like to pack an extra duffel bag in there in case I overbuy and don't have enough room, so I forgot to stick that in there too. Okay, so I'm pretty much packed. Everything is safe and sound in there. Pretty sure my luggage is under 50 pounds. Yeah, I'm excited. I also forgot to add what makeup I'm taking. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pack it in my regular bag. It seems to be the best setting spray, but I also really love this one. I have such a dry face and I feel like this one works best with that. I don't even know if it's gonna, okay, Lancome. That, brush, lipstick, beauty blender, favorite concealer, and all of my makeup is like so dirty. I don't take good care of it. Okay, come on. That concealer. I'm taking travel size powder, travel size mascara for my eyebrows. It's not focusing, but you know what that is. Eyeliner, eyelash curler, and I'm going to take this makeup. So yeah, that's going to be my makeup for the trip. Also just this random eyeshadow palette that I've had for like 2 years and never even used. Okay, last thing, I also have our travel day outfits. We're going with comfortable this time. My daughter's just gonna wear a little Nike tank top, Nike leggings, Nike shoes, wear my tennis shoes, a very comfy shirt, and very comfy leggings from American Eagle. And I am done.